In front of me is Realme Pad Mini, and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now click on this little icon next to brightness slider. And if it's yellow, that means that auto brightness is on. But you can always switch it off by tapping on the same icon again. If you wish to, you can always go into Settings, tap on Display section and select Advanced. Then scroll down and click on Auto Brightness in order to manage it thanks to this switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!